Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Bolt app review to see if it's worth using. So let's get started. In 2005, the Bolt app remained one of the most affordable and widely used ride-hailing platform across Europe, Africa, and part of Asia. It offers low-cost rides, e-scooters rentals, food deliveries, and even couch sharing in select cities. The app is praised for its user-friendly design, quick booking, and safety features like trip audio recording and emergency assistance. Many riders choose Bolt for its transparent pricing and fast service, especially in urban areas. However, users often report last-minute drivers cancellation, overcharging, and unreliable customer support. App glitches and route manipulation issues have also been flagged, with some riders being taken on longer routes or asked to pay extra. And here's the overall conclusion about this app. So the bot what's it for users who want budget-friendly, flexible transportation, but it's wise to double-check trip details and have a backup option for next sensitive rides. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.